Hi, so in the previous lectures we've added the list view, so now we can see our movies in here. So we need to add the pagination and we need also to add the detailed view. So first of all, let's open our view, the class-based view, and we're gonna say paginate boy equal to 1. So this will give us a pagination for only one movie. So in the list view we will show only one movie and the other will be in other pages. So now if we refresh, we should see only one movie, this one. And the other one should be in the pagination, so we should enable the previous, next, and those numbers. So let's do this. So let's open the list view and let's move down to the paginations. Okay, this is the pagination. Okay. So here we're gonna see let's yeah. I'm gonna say if, and then this if we're gonna say if object list, the object list that we've retrieved in here, that has other pages. And let's change this and add it at the end. So now if there is other pages, which means that we have many movies, so this pagination will be shown to the user. So first of all, we need to say, so here we're gonna say if, and I'm gonna say if object list that has previous, if there is a previous, we need to show this li, and we need to do the same with the next. So let's skip this here for next, and let's end it. And I'm gonna say has next, yeah, just like this. So now if there is a previous, we will add the previous, and if there is next, we will add next. So let's add the link, the HTML, the href. So here in this link, we need to add the link for the previous. So we're gonna say question mark pages, and we're gonna say equal like this, and we need to add the page number. So I'm gonna say object list dot previous page number, yeah, just like this. And let's add this also, the next object list dot next page number, yeah, just like this. So now we've added the previous and we've also added the next. So we need to disable them. So we're gonna see else, and so let's add an li, and this li will take a class disabled, yeah, just like this. And let's add this also to the next. So now we've added the previous and the next, and we need to change this. So I'm gonna remove all of those. I'm gonna leave only one, and I'm gonna loop over this one. So I'm gonna say 4, and I'm gonna say 4 pages in, and those pages are in the object list dot paginator dot page range. So this is the range of our pages, and let's cut this. And in our for, we're gonna create an if condition. So I'm gonna say if object list dot number equal pages, we're gonna add this li, and else we're gonna add this li. Okay, and if the object listed number equal to pages, we're gonna say here, we're gonna say pages like this, and we're gonna leave the href as an empty, and else we're gonna add here pages, but in the href we're gonna add the pages. Now don't forget to add equal, and we're gonna say pages. So just like this. So now let's refresh our page and see if it's working or not. So now nothing is working, so let's review our code. So now we said if object list it has other pages, so let's remove those spaces. Then we said if object list dot has previous, so this is page. Yeah, I think everything is working fine and it should work actually. So let's restart our server. So the browser closed. We can see only one movie. Okay, so let's review our code. Let's refresh. Cool. So let's review our code. Yeah, actually this is if is paginated code. This is a class-based view, not function, and this is actually page object like this. So we need to change this to page object, and just like this. Okay, so now let's refresh. So now we have 1 to next. So if we hit next, we can see still not working. So sorry. So let's press 2. Yeah, so we've got June week, and if we press previous, so previous is working, but next is not working. So let's review. It should work actually. So let's refresh our page. So let's remove this page 1 and so on. Let's refresh. So now we have Spider-Man Homecoming. So if we press next, we should see June week. So page is equal to. So let's review our code. Yeah, this is page, not pages. Okay. So now let's remove this. So now this is our home. If we press next, we can see that we have June week and we have previous and 1. If we press previous, we can see that we have home and so on. Okay, so now everything's working fine. We just added the pagination. So now we need to add the detail view for our movies. So let's open our code. In our view, we have the movie detail, and we need to add the detail view. So in our detail view, so we need to inherit all of those things. So let's delete those, and let's close this main, and let's remove the code beneath it. And we're gonna say first we need to inform this page to inherit from base. We're gonna say extend, base.html, and we're gonna say plug body, and this plug body will end in here. Okay, so now let's go to the detail page. Let's open /1. So this is the detail page. We have the trailer, we have some information and so on. So we need to show those informations. So first of all, we need to show the title. So on this detail, let's move down. So let's see object, and let's refresh. So now we have Spider-Man Homecoming. Okay, and let's remove this. Let's remove all of those things, and we're gonna say object.description like this, and this is this adventure, the drama, and the romance, and this is the cost of the movie. So let's review this page. So we need to add this to our models, the cost, and so so we need to add the cost of the movie, and we need also to add the trailer link. Okay, so we will add them in our models, so don't worry. So we have the download and views link, we will add them also. We have the related, okay, but we need to add the views number. So this is the views count. So object dot views. Let's take a look at our model. So it is views count, and we need also to add the image. So we're gonna say object image.url, and now let's refresh our page. So now we can see the actual size. Yeah. So now we have Spider-Man Homecoming, we have the reviews, and this is the trailer. Okay. So let's review. We should see an image. Yeah, this is image. So yeah, this is the image, Spider-Man Homecoming. Okay, so we need to add the download links and the watch links. We need also to add the cast, and don't worry about the related modes. So there is no need for comments actually. So we need to add those information to our models, and we need to start modifying our front end. Okay, so in the next video we will start adding those changes to our models. See you next video.